How can I improve my spoken English? So when you want to work as a personal trainer in a gym kind of setting or anywhere, even for freelancing, all you need is spoken English. You don't. And what is the difference between actual English and spoken English? Spoken English would mean that you are able to talk comfortably, you are able to articulate your thoughts and express yourself in a language called English. That's it. That's what spoken English is about. Which means you don't have to have Oxford level English or amazing vocabulary or great accent or anything like that. You just need to be able to articulate your thoughts, express yourself in simple English. Even if your English is broken, even if you have some weird accent, that is okay. Yes, that is okay. Spoken English and communication is all about being able to express yourself and being able to make sure that the other person understands what you're saying. That's it. Period. So that's the basic thing that you need just to survive in this world, right? Because we know in our country especially now English is becoming more and more popular, right? Wherever you go, whichever job you do, you have to have some level of spoken English ability. All right. Now, how can you improve your spoken English? How can you really improve it? How can you get really good at being able to talk continuously for, let's say, 5 minutes, 10 minutes? How do you do that? Yes, there are a lot of courses that you can go for, courses that you can take, spoken English courses. In fact, I will put a link of udemy.com. If you go there, you will find a lot of courses that you can do to improve your spoken English. I will put a link, and even if you go there is a separate section, a filter section, where you can filter out and you can choose some free courses. That's right, there are free courses too on spoken English. I'll put a link also in the description box below. And I saw that there are some 821 free spoken English courses in Udemy. Trust me, yeah, 821 courses. So do one of those courses and get started. But that is not what this video is about. I'm going to give you one more tip which can really help you improve your spoken English. See, think about it. The moment we say spoken English, it's all about being able to speak that language and being able to speak continuously for 5 minutes at least, or 10 minutes, right? And being able to articulate your thoughts. What do you think I'm doing right now on this video? This is not any professional video. I don't have any lighting, nothing. I just saw one question on YouTube in one of my comments and I decided to make a video right away. So what am I doing right now? I just took my smartphone, I focused it towards my face and I clicked the button. That's it. And I just started speaking. I'm not thinking how I sound, whether my words is coming properly or not, nothing. I'm just talking. What can I do after this? Right after making this video, I can either decide to upload it on YouTube or I can just delete it and I can make one more video like that. What do you think is happening to me when I do that? My spoken English is improving. And you can emulate this exact same thing with yourself. Yes, you can do some spoken English course, you can read English newspapers, you can read books, all these things you can do. But at the end of the day, what you really need is practice, right? So if you don't have someone with whom you can speak in English continuously, who will help you out, what you can do is pull out your smartphone and record a video of yourself speaking in English. Like right now, how I am talking to you, right? Basically, I'm just talking to my smartphone right now. You can do this exact same thing and do it every day like it's your ritual, right? Do it every day for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Make a video, play that video, record yourself, play that video and then delete it. As simple as that. Do it every single day. First thing in the morning. Usually they say that first, when you just wake up in the morning, your willpower is high, right? So first thing in the morning, get it out of your way. Take out your smartphone and talk to yourself. Talk on your camera, on your smartphone camera for 5 minutes every day. And trust me, my friend, within 1 month or within even 2 to 3 weeks, you will at least become comfortable talking in English for 5 minutes. And that alone is a skill. Trust me, that's all you need. When you go to a job interview, when you're talking to someone in the gym with a client or something, what do you need? All you need is being able to speak comfortably, even if your English is broken, mind you. Even if your English is not that great, even if your vocabulary is not that great, it's okay. That is what spoken English is all about. It's not about perfect grammar or perfect accent or being able to use some fancy words. Those things come later. That is when you take yourself to the next level. First thing when it comes to spoken English is just being able to speak continuously non-stop without thinking, without breaking much, and that will only come through practice. You have no idea how much my speaking skills improved just by starting this YouTube channel, just by recording myself on camera, like making 100 videos. Just by that my speaking has improved so much. Now I don't even have to think when I'm talking to someone. I can talk continuously, no problem. And that has only happened because of practice, because of me making these videos, because of me talking on my smartphone camera like this. And you can do this exact same thing, and trust me, you will never have to worry about speaking English comfortably. And that is going to help you everywhere. You'll be able to communicate with so many people. Think about it. Job interview, inside the gym, with your clients, right? In business ventures, networking, everywhere, in some social gathering that you go, you will be able to, that will help you so much. You don't have to speak English perfectly. You just have to be able to speak continuously, with good comfort, with good command over the language. That's it.